Does your date want a genuine romantic connection, or is your bank account their actual soulmate? To spot a gold digger, start by asking about their career. If they give you vague answers or laugh it off, clock it as a yellow flag. Next, try giving them a thoughtful but inexpensive gift, like a single flower with a handwritten letter. If they reject it or toss it aside, take note. If they ask early, specific questions about your stock options or your family's trust funds, and if they experience constant emergencies requiring loans, be concerned. Next, pay close attention to their friends. People usually hang out with like-minded individuals, so if their friends are constantly talking about landing a rich partner, yours probably is too. Lastly, if they feel entitled to the best of everything, like demanding expensive jewelry early in the relationship, they just might be a gold digger. A real relationship is an equal partnership, so protect your assets and stay alert.